And my hand's been looking a mess. These fingers look a mess, and it's time to do these press-ons, okay? Like, these are on sale right now for like $3 or $4. They're gorgeous. Those are fire. Like, that is fly. Because they're still fly, but they're not doing too much. What is up, guys? I am Shanice Jayon, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's vlog, we are going to be doing a spring press-on nail haul featuring TEMU. So you guys stay tuned. Let's get these nails and these nubs together for spring, and let's check out these amazing press-ons that I got. Perfect for springtime. Super affordable, and all of these were under $10. So let's get into it, guys. Shout out to TEMU. Also, make sure you guys use my code that's up on the screen. If you guys are interested in any of these nails, they will be linked in the description. And make sure you guys use that code on the screen so you can get a discount on your next purchase. So let's get into it, guys. Okay, y'all, so let's see what we got. Shout out to TEMU. You guys know I always shop TEMU press-ons. They're like my favorite for my press-ons. Number one, they are super affordable. Number two, the quality is great, and I've never had a problem with their press-ons. So let's see what we got first. Oh, so these are my favorite nails that I've ever gotten off of TEMU. You guys have seen them time and time again. I wore them for my birthday. I did them for Christmas as well. And I'm going to put them up on the screen, but this is what they look like. Let me show you how they look outside of the plastic, y'all. Everywhere I went, I got so many compliments on these nails. Like, you would not believe that they came from TEMU. They are super cute. I love them. The colors are amazing. I love the detail on them as well. So shout out to TEMU. Like, I love those. They are super affordable. And if I remember correctly, like, these are on sale right now for like $3 or $4. Okay? Like, we are talking under $5. And if you were to go and get these done by a nail tech, you would be paying well over like $130, $140. So I love these. They're super thick, as you guys can see. You can see that they're super thick. Okay, they're not paper thin like those other press-ons you be seeing. Like, the designs be cute, but the nail be thin, and I'm not with no thin nails. So shout out to TEMU. Again, these are like my favorite press-ons. Like, usually when I order these, I order like 2 or 3 sets of these at a time, just because they're like my go-to. Like, these are my go-to nail. They're my go-to shape. They're my go-to look. I just love them, okay? Okay. So next up, we have these. Ooh, so these, I wanted to play a little bit. So these are their extra long coffin. And y'all, they are so fire. Like, I love them. Now, usually when I get these, I got to cut them down just a little bit. But these ones, I'm not going to cut these down at all, simply because these ones have like a little gold strip at the tip. So if I file them down, like, you won't see the gold tip. Like, y'all, look how pretty those. Look how pretty those are. Like, y'all, they are freaking gorgeous. Like, they're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. You get all the detail, all the 3D charms, and y'all already know they're going to charge an arm and a leg for those. So pretty. And they also came with a filer. And most of all TEMU nails come with like a file, a cuticle stick, as well as these sticker adhesive strips in case you don't like real nail glue. So y'all, and my nails that I get are a size extra small. I always get the extra small. I think these were a small though. So these are a small, but I've had them in an extra small and a small. But I really like my nails in an extra small because my nails are so small and my cuticle bit is small. So I don't like big bulky nails, and like the TEMU nails just hit. Okay, they just hit. They just fit me good. They're durable and they're affordable. So baby, I'm gonna do them. Okay, every time. Now, when I really like something, I try to get 2 at a time. That way, if I lose one or something like that, I always got to back up. Because baby, they are fire, y'all. Like, they are fire. Perfect for spring. Perfect for spring. And I'm going to be doing a nail tutorial coming up. So you guys tell me in the comments which pair you think I should put on. So these are going to be 1. Okay, the classic go-to. These are going to be 2. And then we're going to see what we got next. And these will be 3. So these will be 3. So these are just some simple, I just wanted some simple burgundy. And actually, these would be really cute with the outfit I got on. Okay. Okay, the fit is also from TEMU. Check them out. Okay, I'll have this linked in the description as well. Make sure y'all use the code and get that discount on them too. Okay, but these are the nails. So they're just like a simple, clean go-to. I wanted a nail that didn't have nothing going on. I just wanted a nice, solid go-to. And again, it came with the little filer. But just something that I could just put on, not too much. No razzle-dazzle, none of that. But the color is really, really pretty. And I really like that shape too. So these will be nails 3. So you guys tell me which ones I should do. But I love those. I love that crimson color. Like, y'all, that would be fire. I need to put these on. I feel like I need to put these on real bad, okay? So I really like those. Also, these will be nice for work because they're still fly, but they're not doing too much. So I like that. I actually might end up putting these on. So you guys tell me which ones you think I should do. 1, 2, or 1, 2, or 3. So yeah, shout out to TEMU for these. And these are in the size extra small as well. And if you don't know how to do your press-ons, then make sure you guys go watch my previous press-on nail tutorials. But also, a lot of them come with instructions on the back. So I do like that. So shout out to TEMU, y'all. Gotta make sure I put these back in the pack nicely because I will be doing, if you don't follow me on Instagram, then make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well because I will be doing, because I also do a lot of hauls and things on there. So I'll put my Instagram up on the screen. Make sure you guys go follow me, okay? So yeah, I want to make sure I keep these nice and packaged. I want to make sure I keep these packaged nicely so I can get my short form content so I can post them on my Instagram too. All right, y'all, let's see what's next. Oh, these are cute. So these I got as well. Ooh, they so fire, y'all. So I've been really, I think I'm going into like a silver era. I'm typically very much a gold girl. Like even most of my nails be having like gold detail. I love gold jewelry. But lately I've been craving like some silver. And I saw these and I thought they were so cute. I love the pink. But I like the 3D charms on them. So I'm going to see if I can zoom in really good with this. With these. So y'all can see how freaking cute. Like y'all look at them. I hope y'all can see them really good. So you guys can see they have a lot of really dope charms. I also really love like this chrome texture on them. Like those are fire. They have this really cute like design tip here with the diamonds and stars on them. And they have like the planets up there. Like y'all, they are fly. But what I like most is like the chrome textured polish. Like I think that's dope. So these are fly too, y'all. So these gonna be nails number 4. I like these a lot. Like these also go with my little colors I got on too. I don't know, y'all. These two are giving me a run right now. And maybe it's just because I got this outfit on. Also from TEMU. Make sure you guys go shop it. But I feel like these are snazzy though. So these would be like corporate bae. Okay, keep it cute. And these would be baby, I'm outside. I'm outside, okay? So you guys tell me which ones. I'll also do those in my tutorial. But I feel like these will look so much better in a tutorial. But we'll see, y'all. We'll see. Because whichever ones I put on in that tutorial is the ones that I'm going to have on. Okay? So now we have... Ooh, y'all. So look at these. I got these too. I thought these were so pretty for spring. Again, I've been in this really long nail phase. Like, I don't know what it is. I want them long and I want them extra. Now, these I will probably cut down just a little bit. No, I probably won't. And they nice and thick too. Now, these ones are a size small. And they do look a little big for my finger, but maybe not. So they are super pretty. They have the real pretty French manicure. Like these would be perfect like birthday nails or like wedding or like just anything springtime outside. Like I love those, okay? They are so pretty. I love like the pink and white look. Again, the gold detail on them. And I just love that classic French manicure on there. They are so pretty. They have the little diamonds with the bow. Like that is fly. Like so freaking cute. I hope you guys can see those because they fly. They are also super thick. Y'all can see them. Look, them nails heavy. Them nails are heavy, honey. Okay. Let me see. Because this thumb look a little big. Yeah, that's kind of big for my finger. I would want it a little bit smaller, but again, I could just file down the sides. Like, they're press-ons. That is the benefit of press-ons, y'all. That's why I love a press-on. And then, like, with TEMU, they press-ons are so affordable that, like, if I get some and I don't like them or they're too big or whatever, number one, y'all know they have, like, no hassle refunds. So you could just send them back and they'll give you a refund. They don't even be tripping. But I also keep them for, like, I give them as gifts all the time. And my friends be so happy, okay? So these may be a pair that I order. I think I'm going to order these again. And I'm going to order them in an extra small. But I'm also going to keep some of these smalls for when, like, the extra small size. For, like, if I lose some of the extra smalls. So, like, they're the same nail. Ooh, they look so good. But for real, the only one that kind of look big is the thumb. Y'all, they are pretty. They are pretty. Like, look at it with the French tip. Let me see if I can. Like, y'all, that's pretty. I'm not flicking nobody off, by the way, but that is gorgeous. Like, they are so freaking pretty. So, I think I'm actually going to keep these. I'm going to keep these. I'm going to keep them. I'm just going to order them in an extra small and keep the small as a backup. Period. Okay? Okay. Okay, y'all. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, I'm so excited about these press-ons. Like, I love a good press-on. And my hand's been looking a mess. Okay? A mess. These fingers look a mess. And it's time to do these press-ons. Okay? And then I got this as well. So I ordered this because I wanted to try it out. And this is the press-on nail glue that I saw. And y'all, so everybody always asks me what type of nail glue I use. So I wanted to try out some of the nail glue from TEMU and see if I can find a good glue from them. So I'll have this up on the screen too, y'all. I'm going to try it out and see if I like it. But it is a 3-pack, so you get all 3 of them. So I'm definitely not mad at that. I want to try to, like, put a little bit on some paper or something and see exactly how it holds. Let me do, like, one nail. We're going to try out this glue. Let me put on this silver nail. Just because it's the first one that's in front of me, and now I'll be able to see if I really like it. All right, y'all, let's see if this glue good. Oh, I got a little bit on my skin and it's sticking already, so let's see. Oh, yeah, y'all. That nail cute, too. What y'all think? I like that length. Ooh. Oh, yeah. It's on there. Yeah, it's definitely on there. Okay, for the 3-pack, y'all, I got 3 of those, okay? And this is the one I got. So if you're shopping it, I mean, just click the link in my description. Everything is linked in my description. So just go in my description box and click the link. And then make sure you guys put in that code that I'm going to have right there and the one that's on the screen. Go ahead and screenshot it right now so you can put it in after you get your cart. So you can get that discount. Like, come on, I'm giving you the plays. I'm giving you the plays, okay? But this is the brand, so make sure you guys choose that blue one. And I got the 3-pack. I think the 3-pack was like the only way it came. I don't remember seeing one, but I know if I saw 3, I definitely purchased it, okay? So yeah, guys, so these are the nails. And I got another pair somewhere. So here are the nails, y'all. Make sure you guys go shop these amazing nails, okay? Like, go shop them. I'm going to actually turn my camera around so you guys can really get in on these and really see what they look like. But you guys, make sure you use that code, shop these. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new here as well, okay? Join the tribe, baby. We do all the hauls, have all the girly must-haves, and make sure you stay up on your self-care and that we doing what we got to do this spring, okay? Okay. This is pair number 1, as y'all can see, like, y'all. Super, super, super freaking pretty, y'all. Like, I love them. And again, like I told y'all, they thick. So that's number 1. So this is number 2. Just a classic coffin crimson. I really like these. Like, I don't know what it is about them, but I really, really like those. They're just simple, but I like the color. I think it's the color. Then we have these babies here. Our extra long bling blouse. And as y'all can see right there on the tip, you see how it has that like gold trim on the tip? That's why I don't want to cut them down. Okay, but I think I am. I think I'm just going to cut them down and I'm just going to cut them right below the bottom gemstones. That's it. And then we have these as well. Like, y'all, they are gorgeous. Like, get into them. The little bow detail, the stars. I love that pink and white again, y'all. Look how thick they are. Like, they thick. And we have these. And I love those. Like, look at the detail on them, y'all. That's what I was telling y'all. Like, get into it. Like, look at that. Y'all know we will be paying grip. Let me make sure the focus is good. There you go. Like, we would pay grip to get those done. And I really like how it looks on my pinky. Like, I like this color. I love that chrome. I think I'm going to do these, y'all. I think I'm going to do these. I still want y'all to vote. Y'all got like 24 hours to vote. But I think, for me, I think I'm going to do these. Y'all tell me which ones y'all want me to do. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching tonight's vlog. I really enjoyed doing this TEMU haul. Make sure you guys go use my code on the screen if you want to purchase any of these amazing nails, okay? Also, I will have another code on the screen as well. This will be a different code. If you guys want to share some of the amazing products that you love from TEMU and you want to get paid to share your favorite finds, then I will have that code linked as well so you can become a TEMU affiliate, okay? And with my code, I think you get a free gift as well as a little bit of money to shop with for your first products to start creating content with. So make sure you guys go check that out. Everything will be in the description, okay? Like, look at the nail, y'all. Shout out to TEMU for these amazing, amazing, amazing nails. And I will see you guys in the next vlog, which will probably be a TEMU nail tutorial. So you guys stay tuned. Thank you so much. And I will see you in the next vlog. Bye, guys. Look at the pinky. So cute. Bye, guys.